Hello and welcome to our tutorial on creating and displaying saved searches. From your dashboard, you'll want to go to your Optima Express IDX control panel. That should open up in a new screen, and when that does, you want to click on the Market section. Now the Market section is going to allow you to create saved markets for specific neighborhoods, property types, and styles. Today we're going to be using the new construction homes for sale in St. Augustine as our demonstration. What you want to do is click on this, and we want to copy the title so we can create our page exactly the same. Once we have that information, we'll go back to our dashboard and we want to create a new page. So we'll go to Pages and click on Add New. And here we are going to paste our title in from our saved search. And once we've done that, there's a couple of things that we want to make sure that we do. First off, we want to choose a parent page, which in this case is going to be lifestyles and communities. And we want to make this page template an IDX template, which we'll get to in a minute. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and click Publish just to save our changes. And now we're ready to actually add the saved search in. So what we will do is click on the backend editor, add a new element. We're going to add a text block. And we're going to copy the text that's here and use our toolbar at the top and click on the Optima Express shortcode creator. From here, we're going to create a listing gallery. And we're going to choose a listing report. And the market that we're choosing is going to be the new construction homes for sale in St. Augustine. And then we want to sort from high to low, or whatever you want to choose. And then results per page is really up to you. We find 16 to be a pretty decent amount. I definitely like the grid view versus the list. It just gets more properties on there without stacking them. And you want to display the header and click Next. Save your changes. As you can see here, the shortcode's already been created for us, and now we'll just update the page. Now this doesn't automatically put it on your site. Now we'll have to actually add it to the main menu, so we'll go to Appearance and Menus. And then over here on the left, you can see where New Construction Homes for Sales was just added. So we're going to choose it and add it to the menu. It will add it automatically to the bottom. You want to be really careful where you place this because, as you can see, this is a main page, this is a sub page, and where you place these matter. This would be a sub page of a sub page. So it's very important that you get these in the direction that you need, and then click Save Menu at the top. And now this has been added to our site. We can simply go and visit the site. And we can click on Lifestyle and Communities and choose New Construction Homes for Sale in St. Augustine. And then now we have our created saved search. We also have the quick search. That's why we use the IDX template page, as well as get more information that adds those to the page. Here you'll see all of your listings that fall in that criteria. Your visitors will also be able to click on Open Homes and look at properties that or actually have open homes, dates and times and things of that nature. That's all integrated, as well as they'll be able to look at a market report, which gives them specific information for this specific saved search. Stuff like median price, median days on market, very, very helpful information. But this is how you create and display saved searches through the IDX platform. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 904-540-9962.